Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the recommended road purchase order in Fish It Roblox. If you are a beginner in Fish It Roblox and wondering which road to buy next, here I'm going to show you the order. Because buying roads in the wrong order can waste your precious coins and slow down your progress. So the first one, of course, you get this started road. This is by default. And after this, what you need to buy next is the grass road. You can buy it for this one in here. You can just buy it in here. And after that, you can skip this tree. After grass road, you just need to buy midnight road for 50k. And after that, you need to save up to 215k to buy the Steampunk road. And after you get the Steampunk road, there are two options that you can do. The first one, you can go buy the astral road for 1 million coins. Or you can also just find or buy the hazmat road in the traveling merchant. And after this, after you get the astral or hazmat, you need to purchase the Aris road. It's available in the tropical grove. And after you buy the Aris road, there are another two options that you can choose. The first one, you can get the angler road. You need to buy it on the Lost Isle. And the second option, you just need to save out to 12 million coins to buy a bamboo road in ancient jungle. So you just need to purchase the bamboo road inside the lever, inside the temples in here for 12 million coins. So for my personal perspective, I want to suggest you can just buy the bamboo road and skip the angler road and just buy this one. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.